Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing this golden creeper set. I could get the golden creeper. I could also get a villager, Steve, bee, creeper, an snow golem, and a cat. Which one will I get? Now the instructions said I have to soak this, so I'm gonna pause the video for a second and soak it. Okay, and soak it. Put this in there. Pause. Okay, I'm gonna turn this around in the water. Okay guys, so I just finished soaking and I'm now hitting it with the pickaxe it gave me. And I can start to see a little green, which means I think I got the creeper from the set. So it's taken a long time, but I can do it. So I think I might need to pause the video one more time to get water in here. But I won't do that until I see a little bit more of the creeper. Okay, I think it's out enough, so I'm gonna pause the video one more time to get more water out. 2, 1, okay. I'm starting to see the creeper a lot more. So, oh, I got it, yeah! I got him. Now I gotta dip him in the water to clean him off. Okay, almost done. And he's finally dipped. So this is what he looks like. If you're wondering what he feels like, he's very rubbery. And the pickaxe is also dirty, so I'm gonna wash that off. So, this was the Minecraft Mine Kit set from Mojang and Adventure Chests. This was very cool. I really liked it, and next time I hope I get the golden creeper. Well, bye guys. And one more thing, before you go, did you see a skeleton 2 times in this video? Like and subscribe if you did. Bye.